Hello, now I will tell you a legal way to earn with 1xbet. I won't talk about shady betting scams or hacks, they're all scams. I will talk about a real working method to earn with 1xbet. If you haven't heard about 1xbet affiliate program before, this video will reveal many important points for you. At the end of the video, I will explain how to start working with the 1xbet affiliate program from scratch. Make sure to watch the video until the end to not miss any details. Let's start from the very beginning. What is the 1xbet affiliate program? The affiliate program is a direct advertiser of the 1xbet brand. The 1xbet company is interested in attracting new players. The easiest way to do this is by creating a large network of affiliates. These partners will attract new players. Each affiliate earns a percentage from the losses of all players who register through their link or promo code. How does it work? I will explain now and then show examples. These systems work very simply. A new affiliate registers. With the help of assistant, the affiliate is provided with a promo code and instructions on how to create a referral link. After that, the partner attracts new players and earns a percentage from their losses, which can be withdrawn as earnings. It sounds simple, but might not be very clear. That's why I will explain with 3 different examples. The first partner, a YouTube channel owner. This partner either includes the 1xbet promo code in the description on their video or does a small advertising integration. They may even create dedicated videos about 1xbet. The second example is the owner of a Telegram channel about football or another sports topic. He occasionally posts with a promo code and a registration link for 1xbet, usually every 5 or 10 posts. The third example is a partner from India or Bangladesh or any country where there are issues with payment service. This partner informs all his friends about how to make deposits or withdraw winnings from 1xbet and asks his friends to register using his promo code. In all these examples, partners attract new players. For each player, the partner will receive 25% of his losses. These commissions will be ongoing as long as the players continue to place bets. Let's say a player loses $100 every month for 3 years. Throughout these 3 years, the partner will earn 25% per month from each such player. The more affluent players you attract, the higher your earnings will be. How to start working with the 1xbet affiliate program? We have developed the 1xbet Affiliate Academy specially for new partners. This project is completely free, but is only accessible to partners who register through our referral link. Why do you need to start working with the 1xbet Affiliate Program Academy? We provide you with all the knowledge you need to start working with the affiliate program without making any mistakes. Step by step, we guide you through the registration process and teach you how to use all the marketing tools effectively. From our first interaction, we assist you until your first payout. And even after that, we provide advice on how to increase your earnings. To formalize yourself with the admission rules of the Academy, you need to scan the QR code on the screen or follow the link provided in the description of the video. We have also created a separate video that briefly explains our Academy. It should be available in your suggestions. Take just 3 minutes of your time to watch it, and I'm confident that you will want to start working with us. We will guide you from being beginner to becoming a partner who generates a significant number of players and earns good money. If you have any question about the Academy, you can ask our manager Jack. His Telegram link is provided in the description. Like this video and let's start earning together with the 1xBet Affiliate Academy.